And the stream started?
Um, we weren't. Yeah, I'm gonna check. But we weren't total dicks. So we didn't go around shooting people.
Yeah.
Fast.
Just went around clowning them. Okay, it seems to be working. It's working there too. And we're on. Okay. Hopefully we can be successful. So. Hi viewers, good morning. This game that we're playing right now is the game that changed my life. This game right here made me the person you all know. This game saved me. This game taught me how to be in the world. Not just this game, but the whole series. Done. Yes.
Ban in-game action. I'll play.
Huh?
I'm looking at the.
Hi, Scorp. Banning in-game action.
Yeah.
That's fucked up to do to me. You're like, nope,
So
you
you're
can't
not
jump.
play
You can't jump. Yeah, you can't press a new game.
you can't play.
You cannot play the game.
Just sit there and watch.
Is that your connection that's bad that's making you choppy?
Yeah, there's a load going on. Maybe?
Barely. Literally, dude, this game literally fucking molded the person that you know right now. This is my first real love in the whole world. Final Fantasy 1 on Nintendo. Released this morning as of 8 a.m. Pacific time to download on modern consoles. Oh. We got all 6 of them. I just spent $79.99 this morning. I've been saving this $80 for the past fucking 5 months, though. So it took me 5 months to be able to fucking save up that money to buy these games. But I knew it was coming out, and I knew I needed to get it, so I had to save. 4 young travelers did at last appear.
Yeah, I'm getting my fucking PS5 next week.
Good. Good. And in the hand of each was clutched a crystal.
PS4 shit.
PS4 is cool.
That's great.
PS3 was the best. I had the original PS3 that was fully backwards compatible, had 4 USB ports. Alright, we're fucking in, guys. We're playing Final Fantasy number 1! Woo! How cool is this? We're just gonna run around and fight for a minute. So, when the game first came out, how I just made all of the party members attack the first enemy, if we would have done that before and one of them killed it, everybody else would have attacked and hit a blank space. Let's see if it continues that way. Nope, they automatically switch to the next enemy now. On Nintendo, they did not do that. They would hit a fucking blank space. You had to literally manually target each one you wanted to hit. And if somebody killed it, oh well, you wasted an attack. Also, in this game, your characters all level up at the same exact rate. But if one of them dies and you complete the battle with that person dead, they're not going to get the same experience and you're going to start throwing it off. So try to keep all your party members alive. This is so great to me, dude. I love the music in this game. I love the game. This is such a fantastic experience for me. Total nostalgia. 5-year-old me playing this shit. Mom, what am I supposed to do? Mom, what is that word? Mom, where am I supposed to go? Mom, I remember
That's
that.
how I was when I played.
I mean, I was 5. I didn't know how to fucking play it, you know? She's like, use your fucking brain, Scott. That's why you have one. Okay. And I figured it out. Yeah, see, already gaining levels. Everybody. Everybody already gaining the levels. We don't want to go too far from the town because we don't want to get fucked up. But... oh shit, people are hurt. I have no items to use. I have no magic. We'll go through another battle before we fucking go into town. Preemptive strike. What's fucking good? Everything's good if you perceive it that way.
Everything is great.
These goblins are weak bitches. Weak bitches. This is so awesome, you guys. There's a secret game that's hidden on the fucking boat, too. Uh-oh. This might be dangerous. Okay, it's not gonna be too bad. One of those fuckers ran from me. Did you see that shit? Pussy. Think about it. You've seen other Final Fantasy games that I've played, right?
Yeah.
This is what started them all. This is what started them all. Yeah, we can do another battle. Die, monkey! We could do another battle. We'll try to get in one more level before we actually go to the castle. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill anybody. Good, good. You're doing good, everybody. That was perfect, Zeko and Marshall. Perfect. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. They're like, we're gonna kill Jimmy! Die, Jimmy, die! Jimmy's like, not this guy, bitch. Slit. Disemboweled. What's up, Chaos? What's up, Scorpio? Yes, we gained that other level. Alright, let's go into town. I still don't have any items, do I? Nope. So, in town here, we're gonna get stopped by the cops, and they're gonna have us go to the castle to talk to the king, because we are 4 warriors of light with crystals in our hand, and we are the fucking ones that are spoken about in the prophecy. Up here in the town, there's a well. When the game originally came out, when you touched the well, it said, see your face upon the clean water. Come, how dirty. Wash your face. It doesn't say that anymore, I don't think. I think they changed the words. This is Cornelia, the City of Dreams. Let's take a peek at your reflection in the water. Ugh, you're filthy. Use this to wash up. See, they changed the words. They changed the words. Hi, I'm a dancer. What's that? You want to dance with me? Yes, I do. Let's dance. Before, when that would happen, suddenly, she would do this little dance around you, and your character would turn around and watch her do it. It was cute. It looks like a well you could climb down, but you can't really. Welcome. Alright, everybody can use a knife, and a staff, a rapier, and a hammer. So let's buy a hammer. And 2 rapiers. And that's all anybody can have here. Alright. Is there anything here? Nope, there's nothing here. I love this shit. Nobody needs clothes. You need 1 chainmail. You need 1 leather armor. Other than that, we're good. You're welcome, buddy. I'm not trying to talk to the guards yet. The guards are gonna hem me up. Hey, kid. Did you? In Provoca, huh? It has. It has, but it's okay. We're gonna go fuck up the pirates and steal their goddamn ship. Fuck those pirates. They ain't shit, bitches. Okay. So, let's you get some items. Perfect. Now, do we have enough money to stay at the inn still? Probably not. We did have enough money to stay at the inn still. Hold circle to run. What up, James? Oh, now I gotta buy spells for my... my black mage and my white mage. James? Hello? The king truly believes in Lucan's prophecy, that the warrior's light will save the princess. The fuck out of my way, bitch! The king is searching for the prophesied warriors of light. Those crystals. You must see the king at once. You must see the king at once! Somebody fully voice acted these games. It's so funny. Why is James being so quiet? Says he came into the party. It's just as Lucan's prophecy foretold. When darkness veils the world, 4 warriors of light shall come. Your Majesty, we cannot be certain that these are the warriors foretold by the prophecy. Yet, they stand before us with crystals. I cannot dismiss this as mere coincidence. Man, if it was that easy to become the prophecy guys, huh? Just go over there to the king with the crystals. Like, here's a crystal! Crystal bearers, there is a task I would ask of you. Will you rescue my daughter Sarah? So you know that one Final Fantasy game I was playing, Stranger of Paradise? That was like a Souls game where I was killing all those monsters and it was hard and it was fast-paced. Isaiah? James? Anybody? 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 Hello? The fuck, everybody? Okay, well, the Final Fantasy game, the newer one, Final Fantasy Origins Stranger of Paradise, takes place in this world. We talk to this king. We fight Garland. Garland is us! Ugh. Not in this. Garland is not us. I will have the bridge rebuilt as a token of my gratitude. Go now, warriors of light, and do not fail me. Yes, sir. Let's go talk to everybody in there. The dancing girl in town knows many odd bits of information. If you find yourself astray, try talking to her. She may know something that can put you back on course. Warriors of light will come at last. How long we have waited for this day to come. Please return my daughter to me. I report say that Garland fled north with the princess to the Chaos Shrine. Well, to the Chaos Shrine we shall go. Is he? Those crystals could be? It could be, but we don't know yet. Her Majesty's overcome with grief. She shut herself inside the chambers. Please try not to upset her. I'm Jane, Queen of Cornelia. Please bring my daughters, my Sarah, back to me safely. Okay. Will do. Or die trying. Garland was once the greatest knight in the kingdom, but power consumed him and he lost sight of who he really was. Please, please save Lady Sarah. My sister. I want my sister. Hello? Yo. Where have you been?
I was on
Huh?
the phone.
Oh. James supposedly came here and he just hasn't said a word. You're still all fucked up.
You're fucked up.
You're fucked up in the brain, dude.
Bitch.
Whore.
All kinds of fucked up. You just call me a whore?
Yeah.
You
Fucking bitch cunt whore. What the fuck?
fucking cunt.
Yeah, and? Tell me something I don't know.
You right.
I guzzle the fucking gargle.
Oh, good. Cunt.
Motherfucking titty sucking two ball bitch. Oh no, they got a preemptive strike, but they're not hurting me very much now because we have armor. You guys are fools for even stepping up to us. Fucking fools for stepping up to us. They don't know who they're fucking with. They're fucking with the goddamn Warriors of Light. Now, I always like to run around and gain some levels early. It kind of gives you an advantage. And trust, you'll need the advantage. Man, one ran away. He saw me kill two of his friends, and the other one bounced. They're like, nope. That's not what we're doing here, guy. This up here is where the Chaos Shrine is. So what's going on in your agenda today, Mr. Hoffman? Whatever, everybody's just ignoring me and bouncing and not talking to me. You guys can all fuck off. I'm gonna fucking play Final Fantasy alone. Play fucking Final Fantasy alone. We're gonna play the fuck out of all 6 of these games. There's 3 of them that I haven't played. Jesus Christ. This is the most dangerous fight we've been in so far. I love this fucking music. Hell yeah. Next level in 1 experience point. We're about to get that shit. Oh, so apparently there's some cool modes in this. huge difference in their fucking strengths. That's what it used to look like. There's the original music. What? Alright, we're gonna fucking do it like that. Hell yeah. This is like playing it for real now. Hell yes. Now, considering how the music originally sounded, which is this, to how it sounds now, they've done such great things with it. We're gonna destroy these guys. How much money do we have? Not enough. Yo, Ashton, what's good? I put this in its original styling. The music sounds like it used to. It looks like it used to. This is so awesome. I love this shit so much.
Did you used to play that when you were a kid?
Yep.
It looks like the games my dad used to play back in the day.
Yep, this was my first love in the whole world.
Was it a Nintendo game?
Yes, this game taught me how to treat people in the world. I was raised by a terrible human being who was teaching me to do fucked up shit. But this game, this series of games, this one specifically, taught me to be the person that I am right now, the person that you all know. If it wasn't for this game, my life would have been entirely a different thing. Quite fucking literally. Quite fucking literally. This game saved my life. This game saved the lives of people around me.
Oh wow.
I fucking love this shit. I'll switch it to the enhanced version so you can see what it looks like. Where'd the music one go? Oh, right there. So this is what the music sounds like now. Compared to how it sounded on Nintendo. Like, how great is this orchestral fucking versions of it? The music in the Final Fantasy games is the best music in all the video games. Alright, let's go get some spells. First we'll sleep. Oh hey, we never talked to the sages.
Download it on PlayStation, or are you on a Nintendo?
I'm on PlayStation right now. It just was available this morning. Final Fantasy 1 through 6 are available this morning to purchase and download on PlayStation 4 and 5.
Yeah, Darksiders download really fast.
Yeah, it does. It's a small ass game.
I just re-download it because why the fuck not?
That's why your fucking shit was so fucked up, huh?
You're going on your little nostalgia trip. I'm gonna do mine.
Do it, fucker. Bring me the gun. I'll fucking do it for you. No balls.
Oh, so
yeah.
I'm gonna start saying no pussy.
Yep, no pussy, because pussy's way stronger than balls, dude. You ain't got no pussy. What?
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my
god. No puss. It's no puss. No puss. You ain't got no puss.
No cooch.
Yep. Do I want Protect or Blink? Protect or Blink?
Nice,
Protect
I'll
or Blink?
download it and try it out. I like old games like that. I haven't played one in a while.
These are the best. Final Fantasy number 6, of all the Final Fantasies that have ever existed, number 6 is my personal favorite. 3 of these games I haven't gotten to play. 3 of them were not released in the United States when they originally came out. They were released later in a Final Fantasy Origin and Final Fantasy Anthology set on PlayStation 1, which was also put on PSP, PS Vita, and PlayStation 3's system store. However, they were never, ever, ever moved from those places to newer shit until this morning. I think Blink will be better. Okay, so now we bought white spells. Now we gotta go buy black magic. There we go.
Yo.
Yo, there the fuck you are. What's good, James? Guess what I'm doing?
Were you calling Connor Isaiah this whole time?
Was I?
I kept hearing you in the controller. Mr. Thomas, Isaiah.
I'm sorry.
In the party
Why didn't you correct me? Why didn't you correct
I thought
me?
you were talking to someone on your stream.
I'm not good with names.
I thought you were talking to someone on your stream.
I thought I did. I thought the offender likes it tender was your name, which is Isaiah.
Yeah.
But your name on this is not on Twitch. The offender likes it tender. See, all these weird ass names gets me really confused. I am not good with names. I'm not good with names at all. Fucking correct me. You're like, dude, I'm Connor. So I was right when I first said Connor. I actually tried to name one of my characters after you first thing this morning. But then I thought I would have someone else in here, so I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. And I should have done it, because that would have been naming the character after you. Which is what I thought I was going to do. I failed.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I seriously thought you were just talking to someone on your stream, so I didn't say anything.
No, correct me next time. I would rather be corrected than wrong.
Yesterday and day before that I was really sick and pretty much was just sleeping all.
Oh no, I'm sorry you weren't feeling good. I'm sorry, Connor. I'm fucking sorry, dude, okay? Please forgive me. I will remember now. So X fucking underscore the fucking whatever your name is, the 2G boys underscore X is Connor.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Well, there's three names. There's Chaos Cult, there's 2G Boys, and Connor. So
okay.
I can see why that gets a
Chaos Cult, 2G Boys is Connor. Chaos Cult, 2G Boys is Connor. Chaos Cult, 2G Boys is Connor. Like, I know the offender likes it tender is Isaiah. I didn't remember what his fucking PlayStation name was. And for some reason, the 2G Boys made me think of the offender likes it tender. So I thought it was his. And I do apologize. I'm not sorry. Fuck you guys. You already knew I'm bad with names. Eat a dick. I'm not fucking sorry. It's not my fault. You didn't correct me when I was calling you the wrong shit, dude. It's your fault.
You already said sorry 5 times.
I know.
Make up your mind, fucker.
I'm playing Final Fantasy 1, James. How cool!
I can see that.
That's fucking cool.
I got all 6 of them this morning. Alright, we're in the Chaos Shrine, guys. So, that Strangers of Paradise game takes place in this world. We're like gonna be in the same place talking to the same people that they were in that game. The princesses that we were saving from this place, saving from Garland, who is Chaos.
I gotta remember all the combos. Oh, that's pretty good.
Well, I'm gonna go download the Final Fantasy game Red, complete the new Fortnite quests, then try it.
Fuck yeah, enjoy that shit. I hope you have fun,
1170
Ashton. Thanks for being here. Thanks for popping in, and I hope you start feeling better. I'm glad you are feeling better than what you were. Sometimes depression fucking fucks us up at times, you know? And it's up to us to pull ourselves through it. Infinite peace and love directed at you. I hope you enjoy this shit. I do. So James, what are you doing today?
Probably fucking Michaela.
Yes. On cam? Are you gonna be the dick for the film?
No.
Oh.
We're just gonna fuck.
Just for shits and giggles? That works. Ooh. So James, you want to see something cool? Are you watching this right now?
I am playing Horizon.
Oh, the Burning Shores? I started it last night.
Yeah, I'm almost through. It's only 8 hours.
For the main part of it, or for all of it?
The whole thing.
Oh, wow. I was having such a hard time trying to start it last night.
Why?
Like, I waited till 9, I turned on the game, I never got the fucking thing saying, Burning Shores! I went in the game, Silas never said anything to me, I jumped back out, I closed the game, I restarted the game, I did the same thing again, I jumped back out, I closed the game, I restarted the game, and then it did it.
Yeah, mine sent me a message right at 12 o'clock. Burning Shores is available now.
And then, like, this morning, for these Final Fantasy games, they were supposed to be available to purchase and download this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific time. But at 8:05 a.m., they were not ready. They kept saying, error, something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong, and then only 2 of them were available, and then they were all available. I couldn't hit the download from my phone button where I was going to try to purchase them. I had to come down here and do it from the PlayStation. How are these guys hurting us so bad?
I wish they'd make a game about the strife and the style of Darksiders 2.
They will. They will.
Because you only get to play as Strife with what's it called? What's that one Darksiders game with War and Strife?
I only played a little bit of the first Darksiders.
Yeah.
And a little bit of the third one. I never played through all of them.
Yeah, the second one was so much fun.
Yeah.
It is my favorite Darksiders game.
Alright.
Oh, wait, no. The motherfucking chest.
A motherfucking chest.
If you did like the older God of War games, you'll definitely like.
Yeah. And if you liked that, and the older God of War games, you would really like Dante's Inferno.
Yeah.
Like, I think Dante's Inferno was a cooler game than God of War, but they couldn't go further with it.
Yeah.
Which might be why they don't take Kratos into Christian myth. Because they did Christian myth with Dante's Inferno.
Yeah. They're all made by the same people, like Darksiders and God of War and Dante's Inferno.
I don't know.
I know God of War and Darksiders are made by the same people.
Santa Monica Studios?
If I'm not mistaken.
Die, wolf, die! Two hits, dead. One hit, dead. 3 hits, dead. My people are becoming badass. James, it's you and me and Zeko and Dub in the party.
Who's Zeko again?
Zeko's always in stream talking. He's never been in the PlayStation party talking with us, but he's been in stream a lot. Xecho.
Okay. Echo my Zeko.
Yeah, Echo my Zeko. So Dub is going through some major shit in his life, and he's thinking about burning all the bridges and stopping his band and...
Yeah, Crucible.
Teenage drama.
Yeah. I said, well, you are at a stage in your life where you're ready to start trying to do real shit and make changes, so... you're gonna do what you're gonna do, and I love you, Dub. I'm there for the ride. I said, bands usually go through a lot of members before they actually become the band they're meant to be. You really gotta find people that you can honestly work with and be around regularly.
Corrupted Angels.
You're a corrupted angel. We need to get the fuck out of this castle, guys. We're not ready for this shit. We're getting our asses handed to us.
Where the fuck?
Oh shit. I don't have any fucking motherfucking things. Ugh. I don't have any antidotes. You're just gonna have to suffer, Jimmy. You're just gonna have to fucking suffer till we get back to town. Sorry, dude. I'm gonna try to keep you alive the best that I can. I've only got a couple potions. We're gonna try, though. We're not doing bad. These aren't enemies that are gonna kill you if they hit you. Hail Satan. Hail Satan.
So I wanted to ask, do you know a lot of other Satanists?
Do I what?
You know a lot of other Satanists.
So, in my perception, everyone's a Satanist. They just don't know it. But, no, not really. Online, you'll find them. It's not like we fucking have gatherings.
Not like that.
The gathering of the Satanists. Get out of the way! I need to get in the item shop! Dumb fuck. Okay, let's buy 10 of these. Let's buy 5 more of these. Let's buy 4 of these. Let's buy 2 of these. We should get a couple of, well, one of those, and a couple of those, and a couple of those, and a fucking sleeping bag. Okay, now we'll go, oh. Will the inn take away our poison? I wonder. Teach you about equipment. Sure, teach me about equipment. Thanks. Interesting. Awesome. Okay, let's go. Nice. Oh, thank you. It's good to have that shit. You're correct. Sure. Oh, yeah? Okay. Sweet. Pleasant dreams. Nope. Sleeping does not remove the poison. Antidote does, though. Alright, let's go kill this motherfucker. We're gonna go kill this motherfucker, guys. Fuck me. Jesus Christ, they do not like you, Jimmy.
Don't like me, man.
Every game that I play with you, like Worms, when I have James there, they fucking attack James and kill the fuck out of him, remember? Now in this, they're like, die, Jimmy, die! I'm like, leave James alone!
Oh, it's time to restart. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so
Let's
we
go.
save. We'll use a sleeping bag. We all slept outside in sleeping bags. You get sleeping bags, tents, cottages, and houses you can build. Oh. Wouch! The king will have no choice but to exchange the kingdom for his daughter's life. Cornelia will be mine! Who's there? The king's lapdogs. Do you have any idea who you're messing with? You really think you have what it takes to cross swords with me? Very well. I, Garland, will knock you all down.
Spin that wheel, girl.
Spin it, girl.
Oh shit.
Ouch. Yeah, that's right. You can't hit Marshall, motherfucker. We already beat Garland's ass. We beat Garland's fucking bitch ass. Garland wasn't shit. That's what I did. Why I leveled up. That's why I fucking ran around. Right there. That purpose. We saved you, Sarah. Words could not be enough to thank you, so your pussy couldn't be. Yep, your pussy or ass can be good enough to thank me. That's the first time anyone's ever defeated Garland. You must allow me to show my gratitude. Please, accompany me to Castle Cornelia. So stream is over after this. I got shit to do. You know, we're resumed normal scheduling, streaming now. We'll be back at 1-ish p.m. Pacific time, which is 4-ish p.m. Eastern time.
Ah, you fucker.
That stream will be about a 3-hour stream. The 4 crystals will never shine again. Now I hear that a crystal can be found on the continent to the north. Story right to the crystals is our only hope of ridding the world of the monsters which plague it. I will have the bridge to the north rebuilt as promised. I pray that you succeed in restoring light to the 4 crystals and to the world. Dun 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 dun!
There's multiple doors in this bitch.
This loot has been entrusted to the Princess Cornelia for many generations. When he abducted me, Garland took this loot as well. I want you to have it. It may aid you on your journey. You obtained the loot. Not as in treasure, but as in a heart. The dancing girl in town is my... Okay. Sarah's thoughts are always with you. Ooh. With the Warriors of Light, I can't thank you enough for saving Lady Sarah. You're welcome. So we'll see what everybody has to say now that we've done that. Before we go. Warriors of Light, can't thank you enough for saving Lady Sarah. Connor, you know the game, Zelda Link?
Yeah.
In this game, like, the first Zelda game came out right before this game did, right? And in this game, there's a elf village with an elf cemetery, and there's a headstone that says, "Here lies Link."
Wow. Firing shots, huh?
Right? Fire and hard shots. And think about how many Zelda games there are. What, 7? There's like 40 fucking Final Fantasy games.
Yeah.
So I think that shot was felt. My sister's back. Mwah. Aw. Thanks, kid.
Better run away.
Look, they've rebuilt the bridge, guys. How great. How exciting. Orders from His Majesty. We're to do our part to fulfill Lucan's prophecy.
Parkour.
They're building the bridge for us. Man, you guys worked pretty hard to do this. Thanks. It wouldn't have happened if we didn't save the princess, huh?
This is the story thus far.
What does this bridge have to do with the prophecy? The 4 Warriors of Light are here. They're here in Cornelia.
Save this.
Alright, so the game's about to truly start, you guys. That was all like a tutorial of how to play the game. Once we cross this bridge, we're really into the world of Final Fantasy. Are we ready? Save the game. We're gonna let the prophecy roll before us before we end stream. Oh, there's a monster to fight. You stupid fuck crazy ass horse. You don't even know what you're fucking with right now, crazy horse. Burn, bitch! And so it begins.
How am I to get into Haven? Or heaven?
And so their quest began. As the 4 Warriors of Light, they felt overwhelmed by the great task destiny had placed before them. They did not even know the true significance of the 4 crystals they held in their hands. The crystals that once, long ago, held a light that shone so brilliantly. The time for their journey had come.
Oh
Time
man.
to cast off the veil of darkness and bring the world once more into light.
Remember how much why I love this game is because of the boss fights.
Yeah. And there is the prophecy. Did your guys' PlayStation get an update this morning, or did yours, James?
Yep.
A rider in the kingdom of the dead?
All right, everyone. Infinite peace, love, and positivity directed at you. Your lives matter. We're about to raid someone on Twitch, and then it's time to go. A hero's journey!
You haven't had any issues with the tech?
No. Except for that account last night, I still can't get into that TikTok account. They probably had to go to school.
Yeah.
And now just waiting for them to have a few 20 minutes between classes to do it again, and then when they get home from school.
For Bible study.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's figure out someone to raid. We'll whip out the screen recorder. Alright, so this is sinfernalgaming, Scott, signing out. Infinite peace, love, and positivity directed at you. Your life matters. Heal thyself, hail Satan. We're about to raid someone. I don't know exactly who. We've been playing the original Final Fantasy 1. This is my first fucking love in the whole world. This game changed my life. I mentioned this at the beginning of the stream. I'm mentioning it again. Literally, this game made me the person that you know right now. So, if you all want a little insight into who I am, play the first 6 Final Fantasy games. Now, we're about to figure out someone to raid. Let's fucking go. We've got James and Isaiah. I'm just kidding. Connor in the party.
Not Isaiah.
I said I was kidding.
No, it's not Connor.
I said Isaiah. I'm just kidding, Connor.
It's Isaiah.
Shut the fuck up!
It's fucking Mr. Thomas. Fuck, man.
Dude, it's me, Tyler, bro. Come on,
Get
man.
your shit right. That old age.
So there's someone named Sir Kill-A-Lot 91 that's playing Ark Survival that only has 1 viewer. That's been streaming for 5 hours. We should raid them, huh? He's been trying. Let's fucking go. Sir underscore Kill-A-Lot 91, all capitals. Sir underscore Kill-A-Lot 91, all capitals. / raid. Sir underscore Kill-A-Lot 91, all capitals. Let's fucking go. This raid is intended for mature audience, so if you're not mature, bounce. Alright? Come back when you grow up. If you are mature, welcome to this mature stream we're about to raid. Let's go.
This
Good
get
mature
big.
stream. Okay, so where did you make the next fucking grabs? There we go. Hollywood, baby! Wait, where are the other ones? How'd you get over there, bitch?
Hey Connor, give him a follow just to help give him a little bit of support.
Way ahead of you.
Perfect, man. Perfect.
I'm done. This is all Obama.
Alright. I love you, James. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. Connor, it's great getting to know you, and I'm sorry that I fucking am not good with names, alright? I am sorry.
It's all good.
I don't like
really
to be wrong
don't
about
care
things.
at all.
I don't like to be wrong about things. I don't like to misspeak about things. I'd rather be corrected if I'm fucking up.
Yeah, I would have if I didn't know, because I didn't know if you were talking to someone else.
Supposed to be using that other motherfucker.
I will hurry up so
Okay,
me and James.
Yep, let's go. Because remember, any race you talk about that you're talking shit about me, so I understand why you're trying to get me out of the room since I'm a fucking mud of everybody. I know.